Alright, Yogi Clan, 2013 Road Glide road test. So I have never, well, I mean, I've ridden road glides after I've fixed them and gone for road tests like this, but we're going to go for a little bit of a longer road test today, because I'm going to get these fluids warm so we can change all his fluids in it. So we'll go out, I don't know, 10-20 minutes. The other thing is too, we just replaced the front wheel on this bike. We took the 21 off and put a stock 19-inch bagger wheel on the front, put new tires on it, new wheel bearings in it. We use balance beads, Dyna balance beads to balance them. So before it gets dark, I figure I'd take this for a quick test drive, make sure, because he was complaining about a wobble between somewhere between 55 and 60 miles an hour, a front end wobble. So since I just put this tire on and this wheel on, as I was mounting, I thought, oh Lord, I hope the wheel spacers match up. They did, thank goodness. Spacers match, so wheel is swapped. Feeling pretty good so far. And these are new handlebars on this bike. We put these on a couple months ago. I like them, man. They feel pretty good. They have me sitting kind of far forward. So let's take this bad boy for a ride and see what we think. His exhaust sounds really good on this. I like this bike. I like it. All right, so let's do our intro. Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. I'm your host, Yogi. And here, we do motorcycle. Yep, motorcycle. So if you like motorcycle, you're at the right place. If you don't like motorcycle, I do Yogi stuff too. So take your pick. Motorcycle stuff or Yogi stuff. Either way, you have it all here. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you for coming back and watching this video. So, okay, so let's roll. All right, 50, 60. We're right in between 55 and 60 now. Let off the throttle. And I don't feel any wobble. Ooh. Front wheel's got a shimmy shake. Did you see that? Watch this. Let go of the handlebars. Ooh, wow. There's something else going on with this bike. I wonder if he's got like something maybe with a neck bearing. So let's get above 60, see if that happens. Alright, 65. Oh, it's gone. I'll be doggone. Alright, let's go. 65. Let go. Oh. Does it right around 60 miles an hour. Alright, 65. Let go. Yeah, right around 57 miles an hour. It gets a really bad shake. So, what could that be from? Could be neck bearings. Could be swing arm bushings. We know it's not wheel bearings because we just replaced those. Where's this cruise control? How do I set cruise? Oh, there we go. Alright, so right at, cruise is on right at 60. Yeah, there it is. So, how do we, that's decelerate. Alright, there's accelerate. Alright, so 68. Not doing it at 68. So let's, I got an idea. Got an idea how maybe we can do a quick test on the neck bearings. Let's find somewhere where you can pull over. But yeah, I'm just trying to give you, so I mean there's too much stuff right in this area between the ram mount. I would probably move that like over here, because man, you can't see the radio. You can't really see the gauges either. I can see the oil pressure, but the voltmeter is hidden by the handlebars and the fuel's hidden by the handlebars. I like it though. I like this bike. I like it a whole lot. Just need to get rid of that wiggle. Man, it feels solid. That new tire on there feels pretty good. I don't want to push it too hard because I mean it's a brand new tire. And I don't want to wipe out this beautiful bike. But I believe it is a 13. So it's got the 103 cubic inch. It's a 6-speed. Gear selector, I don't think tells you what gear it's in. that's 6th gear there. What's up, people? Yeah, man, it feels really good though. I dig it. I don't know. The handlebars are really far forward. I am sitting very upright. I do like it, but I don't know. Like on my Ultra, I know I can do an iron butt on that. Here's a church. Let's pull in here. We'll figure it out. On my Ultra, I know I could do an iron butt. On this one, I don't know. Maybe. I would probably get used to it, but yeah, it does put you awfully far forward. Okay, let's pull into this church here. We'll go in the out. Now, this is not a foolproof plan to check your neck bearing. Let's find neutral. Front brake on. And rock it back and forth. And if you hear a clunking, which I do, but I don't know if that's the shocks. It might almost be the shocks that I feel. I can feel a clunk. I bet you his neck bearing might be a little loose. That's my guess. So we will go home and pull up the manual and see how we can best determine that. Maybe this weekend I can work on that and see if I can. He wants me to grease the neck bearings anyways. We can see if it needs to be tightened. I like it though, all black. I think it's got a little bit of hint of gray pinstriping in it. It's a beautiful bike. He put like, I don't know, my brain's not working, super bright LED headlights in them. I don't know if they're LED headlights, but they're like Daymaker headlights. He put Daymaker headlights in them, or a knockoff version thereof. It's got a really good front headlight. Heck yeah, she got some get up and go. Everyone always says the Road Glide is like the Cadillac of the Harley world, even one step above a Street Glide or an Ultra. It has a fixed fairing instead of the Batwing. That supposedly provides a smoother ride. I know my boy Wild on Twos, that's what he rides, is a Road Glide. And I think that's what Blue Bike and Doyle rides too. I know I mentioned them in like all my videos. But they do look like a very comfortable ride. And he had an aftermarket tour pack put on this one because when it came it didn't have the tour pack, so he put an aftermarket on. Swapped out his headlights. Now he's taken the 21-inch wheel off, put the 19-inch stock Enforcer wheel on it, wagon wheel on it. That's always the thing that's hard about test riding. You know, you didn't ride this bike before there was a problem with it, so I don't exactly know what was going on with his wobble. I think he said he experienced it around turns too. Here we are doing 60 around that turn there, and I don't feel anything. I mean, maybe it could be even the spacers on the wheels, you know? That's a possibility too. I mean, it seemed legit when I put it together. Alright. So yeah, if the spacers aren't right in the wheels, and you know what I might suggest to him is get stock spacers. And let's put those on. And get these black ones that came with the other wheels off. They are not stock. That could be an issue. Neck bearing could be the issue. Balance, not the issue. Tire, not the issue. Bearings and the wheels, not the issue. Being a 2013 with only, how many miles we got on this? How do you change the mileage thingy? Where's the button? Wait, this has only got, no, that can't be right. 6,113 miles on it. Yeah, that looks right. 6,000 miles on it. 2013. I really doubt the swing arm bushings are bad. I really doubt that. So that kind of takes me back to wheel spacers and potentially neck bearing. If y'all know something, you know, maybe I'm missing, with 6,000 miles on this bike, it being a 2013, I mean, I suppose the swing arm bushings could be dry rotted, but man, this thing was garage kept. It was garage kept. I really doubt that that's the issue. But we are going to do a T-clock inspection on this weekend. There's a few other things he wants me to change, like he wants me to turn these handlebar. He says his thumbs have trouble reaching these controls right here. He says he's got short thumbs, so he wants me to angle these down a little bit. So we're going to move the controls down. There's a little clip on his saddlebag he wants fixed, and a couple other little things, and we'll do a T-clock inspection. So there you go, Yogi Clan. There's my test ride. I thank you for joining me. I like this bike. It's a great bike. I really do. I'd like to spend some more time on it and get more used to it, but I could definitely, I would definitely love to take this to the beach or to the mountains. Beautiful machine. All right, y'all, enjoy your week. I will catch you soon. Love you guys. Peace.